Welcome, dear listeners. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of cryptocurrency, a revolutionary form of digital money that's changing the face of finance as we know it. ARK Invest, led by Cathie, has undergone a strategic transformation, completely liquidating its holdings in Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. This notable divestment from GBTC coincides with a period of increased activity in the crypto sector, which has seen top Coinbase executives selling their shares in coin stock. Despite this retreat from GBTC, Wood's overall outlook on cryptocurrencies remains positive, particularly regarding Solana. Her optimism is driven by the platform's rising developer engagement, which contrasts sharply with ARK's recent exit from Grayscale. Simultaneously, ARK Invest, in partnership with 21 Shares, is determined to establish a presence in the Bitcoin ETF market. The firms have submitted an updated amendment to their Bitcoin ETF proposal, reflecting their unwavering effort to introduce a Bitcoin ETF, a venture that has faced considerable regulatory hurdles thus far. As we observe these contrasting moves by ARK Invest, pulling back from GBTC while reinforcing commitment to a Bitcoin ETF and showing confidence in Solana, we will keep close tabs on the implications for investors and the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency investments. In the latest cryptocurrency exchange developments, Binance has been at the center of several key stories. Starting with regulatory actions, the Indian government has taken a decisive stance by requesting the blocking of 9 cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, to enforce anti-money laundering laws. These platforms are now seeking URL blocking as a regulatory compliance measure. This move signifies a crackdown by Indian regulators on crypto operations that fail to adhere to the country's strict regulations. Despite the regulatory challenges in India, Binance has positive news to share. The company's 2023 review report reveals significant growth, with 40 million new users joining last year, increasing the total user base to an impressive 170 million. This growth, indicating strong institutional interest and a sustained commitment to user experience and compliance, comes amidst CEO Changpeng Zhao's decision to step back in light of pending criminal charges, a leadership change that remains a hot topic in the crypto sphere. As Binance navigates through these testing times, it continues to innovate and provide new opportunities for its customers. It has expanded its services to include new trading pairs for prominent cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, XRP, and Solana, aligning with diverse investor interests. In addition, Binance Futures has launched discounted USDC-margined perpetual contracts for major digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, and XRP, offering traders cost-effective options in futures trading. In the cryptocurrency market, Binance Coin BNB shows promise, outperforming Solana and spurring analysts to predict a $400 price target based on market dynamics and investor sentiment. Despite the favorable market movements for Binance Coin, Ripple's XRP remains locked below a critical resistance level, leaving traders eager for a breakthrough. Turning to technical analysis, there's speculation over whether Binance Coin has entered the overbought territory as of December 28th, with traders advised to monitor the developments closely. That wraps up our update on Binance and the broader cryptocurrency exchange landscape. Keep following for more news and in-depth analysis in this constantly evolving sector. In a compelling update from the decentralized finance realm, PancakeSwap has proposed a reduction in their native cake token supply by a significant 300 million units, stirring considerable excitement among its community and investors. The proposal, aimed at diminishing the token's availability, has been met with overwhelming support, apparently striking the right chord within the ecosystem. Coinciding with the announcement, the cake token witnessed an immediate response from the market as its value jumped by 7%, fueled by investors' anticipation of increased token value and scarcity. In a subsequent positive market reaction, the token's price further climbed by 6%, reflecting the community's optimism regarding the proposal. PancakeSwap has embraced a democratic approach to finalize this proposal, engaging their community in a voting process that will determine the outcome of the supply reduction. As we continue to monitor the situation, we'll provide updates on the unfolding effects of this strategic decision on the PancakeSwap ecosystem and the broader landscape of decentralized finance. In the realm of cryptocurrency and its intersection with high-profile personalities, former U.S. President Donald Trump has recently garnered headlines with a significant transaction involving digital assets. A surprising synergy of technology and politics has brought President Trump's Ethereum wallet to the limelight, following the sale of NFT royalties that netted an impressive $2.4 million. The 45th president, historically recognized for his business ventures, has now ventured into the vibrant NFT market. Amidst the surge in digital art and collectibles, Trump's entry has resulted in the notable sale of NFT collections, amassing a considerable amount of Ether as a result. Details of the transaction indicate that this substantial Ethereum earnings were transferred to Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, which suggests a strategic move to liquidate his digital asset holdings following the success of his NFT sales. This sizable transfer of ETH marks an intriguing point in the former president's involvement with digital assets and raises questions about the broader impact of his participation on the NFT ecosystem. As we witness the unfolding consequences of these high-profile dealings, we are reminded of the ever-growing integration of cryptocurrency within the spheres of traditional politics and global influence. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into expert analyses of Trump's foray into the NFT market and explore its significance for the wider narrative of crypto adoption among influential figures. Hello and welcome back to the Ether Express, your go-to source for the latest and most fascinating developments from the world of Ethereum. I'm your host, diving deep into all things blockchain and cryptocurrency. Let's get ready to unpack a full slate of Ethereum news. Ethereum's co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, is at the forefront of the news with a transformative proposal aimed at boosting the efficiency of the Ethereum proof-of-stake (POS) system. By suggesting a considerable reduction in validator signatures, Buterin's initiative could greatly simplify the network operation, improving scalability and performance. In a move that nods to the platform's beginnings, Buterin is also promoting a return to Ethereum's foundational philosophies. This retrospective shift could have significant implications for both the Ethereum community and its foundational ethos. Analysts are signaling strong year-end prospects for major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, despite the well-known volatility of the crypto market. There's a spirited expectation of a buoyant close to 2023 for these digital assets. In response to Buterin's recent proposals, Ethereum's market value has experienced a notable uptick. The price soared by 10% after initial discussions on simplifying the network, and followed up with an additional 8% climb upon further elaboration of the changes to Ethereum's POS system. Buterin's proposed adjustments extend to a radical reimagining of the number of POS validators, potentially reducing the count from close to 1 million to just 8,192. This could mark a pivotal transformation in Ethereum's operational structure, setting the stage for a revolutionary evolution of the network. Buterin's vision and influence have garnered international accolades, including from Argentine President Milei, who has earned praise for his economic strategies. This global recognition comes as Buterin lauds recent advancements within the Ethereum ecosystem, underscoring the interconnectedness of technological innovation and international economic policies. As we conclude this episode of Ether Express, remember that the crypto terrain is continuously morphing, and we'll be right here to ensure you're informed throughout this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for the most current news, expert analyses, and engaging discussions. Until we meet again, stay vigilant with your digital assets and remain intellectually curious. You've been riding with the Ether Express. The Solana ecosystem has recently encountered significant market turbulence, with several developments affecting its position. To start, the meme coin trend, characterized by assets like Solana's bonk, is deflating, evidenced by a steep decline in their market value. Alongside the meme coin downturn, the broader Solana network is contending with its own challenges. The Sol token, the primary cryptocurrency of the Solana platform, has notably fallen below the $100 threshold. Additionally, in a dynamic shift within the cryptocurrency markets, Binance's BNB has reclaimed the fourth spot in global market capitalization, edging out competitors including SOL. This repositioning reflects a wider, sector-wide retraction for Solana-related assets, which, as a collective, have seen their value diminish by approximately 10% within a single day. Further exacerbating the situation, SOL has specifically experienced a severe 9% drop over a 24-hour period, outpacing the declines of other major cryptocurrencies such as Polkadot and Cardano, and marking a particularly difficult period for the blockchain platform. Despite the immediate bearish sentiment, some market analysts are cultivating a sense of optimism for the future, particularly for long-term investors. Tokens like Solana and Retic Finance, Retic, are being highlighted for their prospective utility and growth potential in the long run. However, in the current climate, the downturn is striking. The Solana price has taken a 7% hit in a single day, culminating in a decline of over 20% from its recent peak, signaling an ongoing slump that commands attention. As we monitor these shifts in the Solana space, it is essential to remember the volatile nature of cryptocurrency markets. The potential for future growth and recovery exists, but investors are encouraged to conduct thorough due diligence and remain informed of the latest market trends. Keep an eye on this channel for more Solana updates and analyses. Worldcoin is advancing its presence in the global crypto space with its latest technological innovation, the Orb. This custom-built hardware device is set to revolutionize digital identity and currency as it launches in Singapore. This strategic move not only expands Worldcoin's horizons, but also signifies a crucial progression in World ID verifications. With the deployment of the Orb in Singapore, the company is making a bold statement in redefining the digital identity landscape. For those in Singapore, be on the lookout for the arrival of these devices and stay updated on the impact this development may have on the adoption of digital identities and cryptocurrencies on a worldwide scale. In the latest headline from Terraform Labs, we've reached a significant juncture in their legal challenges as a federal judge has issued a pivotal ruling that is shaking the foundations of the crypto industry. Aligning with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, the court has determined that cryptos Luna and UST, issued by Terraform Labs, were offered and sold as unregistered securities, handing a substantial win to the SEC and strengthening their position in asserting regulatory authority over digital assets. For Terraform Labs and its CEO, Do Kwon, the ruling marks a considerable setback, underpinning the SEC's efforts to bring digital currencies within its regulatory purview and setting a precedent that could reverberate throughout the cryptocurrency sector. This development is sure to compel other crypto firms to scrutinize and potentially adjust their operations to align with securities laws. As we continue to monitor this unfolding story, we'll deliver updates and provide in-depth analysis on the ramifications of this court decision. Keep an eye on this space, your trusted source for the most current insights into tech and business news, for further coverage. Thank you for tuning in to today's deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Keep your digital wallets close until next time, when we unravel more tech mysteries on our podcast.